Are you a frequent credit card user or making high value purchases from your credit card? If yes, this video is definitely for you. You see, when you make high value transactions, you can invite attention from the income tax department, leading to a notice also. So in this video, we will deep dive that why income tax department can send you notice while spending from credit card and what you can do about it. So let's begin. We all need some financial aid at some point in life, be it a medical emergency, wedding, education, etc. And among a lot of other options available, credit card has been a popular choice because of their flexibility to purchase now and pay later. Getting a credit card is not that difficult. If you fall in certain income category and have a decent or good credit score, you might be eligible for one. But here's what you should keep in mind while using your credit card: the income tax rules applicable on credit card transaction. You are more likely to receive income tax notice if you pay credit card bills of over 1 lakh in cash in a financial year, or you purchase products and services using credit card worth rupees 10 lakh or more in a financial year. Now you must be wondering, how does the income tax department get to know about your high value transactions? Well, banks, companies and other authorities report these kind of transactions to the Director of IT department with the form of 61A, that is Statement of Financial Transactions. Then the income tax department evaluates these transactions and then they cross-check these transactions also with your ITR. Since 1st June 2020, revised Form 26AS includes Part E, which also displays this information about high-value transactions. Now, let's suppose that you have got an income tax notice and you have done some high-value transaction. So, what to do about it now? First of all, please try and understand that income tax is imposed on income, not on your expenses. So, you just have to clarify the source now. Let's see different cases and understand this better. First case, if you haven't filed your ITR yet, you will receive an e-campaign notice for your credit card transaction. In this case, you must consult with your tax expert and then proceed with the ITR filing and submit the feedback for the notice. In a second scenario where you have already filed your ITR, but your expenses are not justified. For example, your yearly income is rupees 2 lakh. And your credit card transaction shows that you have expended or you have spent rupees 15 lakhs around in that financial year. That will attract a notice. In this case, kindly go to the income tax department website and submit a feedback and revise your ITR with the correct information. However, some unspecific, uncertain transactions are flagged by income tax department, like if you make cash payments over and above rupees 1 lakh, or you are making an expense which is way more than your income. So that is when credit card transactions are flagged by the income tax department. So आपको इन चीजों के बारे में ख्याल रखना है before spending from credit card. We really hope that you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family जो ज़्यादातर credit cards use करते हैं, and हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Thank you so much for watching.